Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. We have already started our chapter number 2, How Much Can You Carry? So here is one incident where you will find out a picture of one family where the father, mother and the daughter has been seen in this picture. And here our question is, how much can Simran carry? Here is a Simran, that is her father and that is her mother. So Simran's father needs to move something from the store of their house to the kitchen. See, similarly we will find out this kind of storeroom in everybody's house, and his father wants to move some things from the storerooms to the kitchen. So Simran wants to help her father and she is very enthusiastic and she wants to help her father. So guess which bag सिमरन कैन कैरी? कौन कौन से बैग सिमरन कैरी कर सकती है? तो सिमरन इज अ वेरी लिटिल गर्ल जस्ट लाइक यू एंड शी कैन कैरी carry some things which are less in the weight. So like 1 kg of salt, 1 kg of ghee. She can carry the things which are having around 1 kg of the weight. So our answer is 1 kg of salt and 1 kg of ghee. Now second question, guess who can carry and what? Okay, so her father is a grown up man, so he can carry 5 kg of rice, 5 kg of atta, this kind of things he can easily carry out from storeroom to the kitchen. Her mother, and she can carry 2 kg of cooking oil, sugar, dal, ये सब 2 kg के है. 2 kg of cooking oil, 2 kg of sugar, 2 kg of dal, ये सारी चीज़ें कौन लेके जा सकता है? Her mother. And her younger sister. There is also one younger sister than of Simran. So her younger sister can carry the pack of cookies. वो cookies के packet carry कर सकते हैं, छोटे छोटे बिस्किट के packet carry कर सकती है ना. So this way they are helping each other to carry some goods from the storeroom to the kitchen. Our next question is, can Simran carry any 2 of these bags together? कोई भी 2 बैग वो एक साथ कैरी कर सकती है? Yes. If yes, then which ones? Yes, the packet of ghee and salt. वो दोनों एक एक किलो के पैकेट्स ऐसे दोनों हाथ में कैरी कर सकती है. And which bags can carry and guess? Okay, these are 2 kg of dal. See देखो ये 2 kgs के हैं और दाल भी 2 kg की है. 2 kg of sugar she can also carry if she can carry the 2 bags of 1 kg then. Okay, so it is the possibilities. Now next is, here is a and. I can carry a grain of sugar bigger than myself. Yes, that's true. And अपने size अपने weight से double weight का वो उठा के जा सकती है. So our next question is, match the picture of the animal with the things it can carry. Here is a bird. Bird can carry a leaves. Then elephant can carry logs of wood. Then the donkeys can carry bags of sugars. And the dog can carry a ball. So this way this animal can carry some goods. Now all of you open the workbook, page number 33. Where you will find out the exercise number 5. How much weight can they carry and match the suitable in the appropriate way. One has been done as an example. Okay, this is the similar kind of matching exercise that we have done in the textbook. Okay, these are some similar kind of exercise. So what will you do? Generally, we find out the elephants in the jungle. In the jungle, the people used to cut the wood, and these logs of wood would be carried by the elephant in its trunks. So, and here, look at here. Here is a sparrow. Sparrow is matched with the leaves because वो पत्ते तोड़ते हैं अपने nest बनाते हैं. So they can carry leaves, twigs, cotton, so many things, right? Then here is a donkey. Donkey can carry sack of cement as well as it can carry anything, either cement, sugar or anything which is filled in a sack. It can carry by the donkeys. Donkeys most probably used in the okay, in the hilly areas. Okay, so that are donkey kind of horse which is called mules. Okay, and they are also carrying the similar kind of sacks or any goods which are heavy to carry from base to the top of the mountain. Next is elephant. As I discussed, elephant are used to carry logs in a jungle, logs of wood in a jungle. So, dog. Yes, of course. Many of you saw the dogs. Those who are playing with the balls, they keep the ball in their mouth and come back to their masters. An ant can carry a cube of sugar. Then this is a man can carry a bag. And parrot can carry chilies because chilies हमेशा कौन खाते हैं? Parrots. So parrots can carry chilies. Or the worker, those who are going on a workplace, okay, they carry their bag, working bag with them. So they can carry their working bag. On the next page, we will find out this exercise. How much weight can they carry? Match the suitable in their appropriate way. Here is the lady. Lady can carry 5 kg of rice. Okay, a boy can carry 2 kg of sugar. A little girl can carry 1 kg of ghee, and the man can carry 10 kg of wheat. So this is it for this chapter. The rest of the exercise, let's do homework. We will keep it for the revision session, and during the revision time of the exam, we are going to solve this so that we can get the empty space to do the practice. Okay. So this is it for this chapter. We will start the next chapter next time. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.